Brand new to Beaver Builder and not sure where to start? This video will walk you through the basics, step by step. By the end, you'll feel comfortable inside the Beaver Builder editor and ready to start building with confidence. Beaver Builder is a visual website builder for WordPress. You build and edit pages directly on the front end of your site, so you see the changes as you make them. You don't need to write code, and you don't need to be a WordPress expert. Let's dive in and take a look. From the WordPress dashboard, add a new page, then click Launch Beaver Builder. This opens the visual editor. Over here on the right is the content panel. This is where you'll find modules, rows, templates, and any content that you've saved. To get started, you'll drag a layout template, a row, or a module onto the page. The page itself is your canvas. What you see here is exactly what your visitors will see. Just click directly on anything that you want to edit. The outline panel gives you a bird's eye view of your layout. You can rearrange elements, open their settings, duplicate it, or delete them from here. The Tools button gives you access to things like saving templates, duplicating layouts, responsive editing, and global settings. There's a lot more that we could cover in this section, but for now, I'll link up to some helpful tutorials in the description below this video. You'll also notice the Done button. This is where you'll save your work as a draft or publish changes to make your page live. This is just a quick orientation. Next, we'll dive into adding and editing content. To edit text, just click directly on it. You can type right on the page like you would in any document. This inline editing is one of the fastest ways to update content in Beaver Builder. For styling options like font size, color, or alignment, hover over the module and click the settings icon. Then use the Style tab to customize how it looks. Beaver Builder comes with a wide variety of modules, such as text, headings, buttons, images, videos, and many, many more. To add one, open the Content panel, go to the Modules tab, and drag it into your layout. As you move it onto the page, you'll see a blue highlight showing exactly where it will be placed. Once the module is on the page, you can hover over it to move it, duplicate it, or delete it. Each module has its own settings. Just click the wrench icon to open them. You can also save rows or modules as templates, globals, or components to reuse later, which is a huge time saver. Your saved content will then appear in the Save tab of the Content panel. But before you can really get going adding content, you'll likely need some structure. You can drag in a row from the Row tab or add a box module from the Module tab. You can also use pre-built layout templates or box module templates to quickly kickstart your design. Don't overthink it. Start simple. You can always adjust things later. Rows are the building blocks of your layout, and columns live inside rows. They help organize your content. Beaver Builder also includes the box module, which can act as a top-level container. It's great for grouping modules together and gives you more control over spacing, backgrounds, and layout. The box module uses modern layout tools like Flexbox and CSS Grid, which helps keep layouts responsive. I have found the best way to learn is by experimenting, so go ahead and try different layouts to see what works best for you. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, subscribe for more Beaver Builder tutorials, and click to watch the next video. Bye for now.